Welcome back to Eben's Car Tips. My name's Eben. Today we're going to be talking about the subject, tires. When should you change your tires? These tires are about 3 years old, and that's the life of most tires out here in the desert. Some tires can last up to 5 years if you park your car in the garage and you keep them off the hot asphalt. More element about them, if you know that they're starting to break down, is when they crack. You'll see all these little spider cracks in the tires, which you can see right here. And definitely that says it's about time to change them. If the tires don't have any wear on them, but they're old, say 6-7 years old, it's always good to change them too, because the chemistry on the skin of the tire changes, and it actually gets a little skin on it, and the rubber just doesn't grip the way it used to. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll definitely get right back to you. We'll see you guys next week.